Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's already spring season here in US, and when it comes to clothes trending during spring and summer season, the first thing that comes on your mind is tie-dye. That is why today I will be sharing with you guys how to tie-dye this simple white and black top t-shirts. You can also do it into your pants, dress, or any clothes that you want as long as it is plain color. So I will be sharing with you guys 5 different tie-dyes that is easy to do it yourself. I will also show it to you how to wear them. So without further ado, let's get started.
Before you can start, gather all the supplies and materials first. Here's what you'll need. Clothes you want to tie-dye, make sure that it is 100% cotton or at least 80% cotton because it absorbs the dye very well. Plastic tablecloth to protect your work surface, gloves, rubber bands, ziplock, tray with a rack, tie-dyes in assorted colors, and bucket with water to pre-wash your clothes. First step is add water to your dye bottles. Make sure you fill water until to the line only. Next is pre-wash your clothes to the bucket with water. The first tie-dye we're going to do is the center spiral or swirl tie-dye. Pick the center spot on the clothes, pinch a small section and start to twist it like a cinnamon roll. Hold on to it while you twist it. Keep twisting until the entire item is rolled up. Secure it with 3 or more rubber bands by crossing them over the center of the spiral. Don't forget your gloves before you start the tie-dye. Put the clothes at the top of the tray with a rock and apply a color of your choice in every other section. I will be using blue, yellow, red, and black. Flip the clothes and apply the tie-dye on the same section. Place the dyed clothes in a ziplock and let it set for 8 hours to 24 hours. The second tie-dye that we are going to do is the Shibori Square Tie Dye. Fold your clothes in accordion style. You can start in the hemline until you reach the neckline part. Next, fold your clothes again in square accordion style. Continue to fold it back and forth until you reach the end of the clothes. Secure it with 3 or more rubber bands. Apply a color of your choice in every other section. I will be using blue, black, red, and green. Flip the clothes and apply the tie-dye on the same section. Place the dyed clothes in a ziplock and let it set for 8 hours to 24 hours. The third tie-dye that we are going to do is the Bullseye Tie Dye. Pick the center spot on the clothes where your bullseye will be. Pull upward in a cone shape. Wrap it with rubber band 1 to 2 inches below the tip of the clothes. Continue to binding it until you reach the end of the clothes. Apply a color of your choice in every section. I will be using yellow, green, purple, and black. Flip the clothes and apply the tie-dye on the same section. Place the dyed clothes in a ziplock and let it set for 8 hours to 24 hours. The fourth tie-dye that we are going to do is called Crumple or Scrunch Tie Dye. This is very easy to do. Starting in the center of the clothes, scrunch up the fabric in small pleats and folds. Keep scrunching and secure it with rubber bands. Continue to binding it until you reach the end of the clothes. Apply a color of your choice in every section. I will be using blue, black, green, red, and yellow. Flip the clothes and apply the tie-dye on the same section. Place the dyed clothes in a ziplock and let it set for 8 hours to 24 hours. The last tie-dye that we are going to do is called reverse tie-dye. The clothes you are going to use should be dry for this project. You just scrunch, fold, or twist it and secure it with some rubber bands. Apply the color changer everywhere on your clothes. Make sure you flip the clothes and continue to squeeze the solution. Wait until the color to change. Once it's ready, remove the rubber bands and rinse it under tap water. Look how it turns out. Now, we will apply the tie-dyes. I will be using red, yellow, green, and purple. Flip the clothes and continue to apply the tie-dye. When you're done, place the dyed clothes in a ziplock and let it set for 8 hours to 24 hours. After 24 hours, I am so happy how it turned out.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you will be updated on my next video. Till next time, bye!